Introducing the Silviano laptop sleeve, the first voice-activated laptop sleeve engineered with wireless charging and global tracking. It'll keep you charged all day long, help you find it if it goes missing, and protect you from electronic pickpocketing, all wrapped in super sleek, hand-finished luxury leather. Combining luxury materials with the latest tech, our sleeve is ready to fit into and upgrade your daily life. Left your sleeve behind? Simply call out to Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, and the Chipolo app will show you its last position. Never run out of battery again. With our revolutionary 10-watt wireless charger, you can power your devices effortlessly on the go. Just drop your phone in the sleeve and it'll do the rest. You can even charge up to 3 devices at once, such as your phone, iPad, and your laptop, making sure you're ready for anything the day has in store. Prevent electronic pickpocketing with the Silviano sleeve's RFID blocking technology built straight into the lining. So you can worry less about your personal details being stolen and more about when you'll get your next cappuccino. Distracted by too many calls or emails? Me too. Chipolo's ultra-slim Bluetooth tracker won't let you wander off and leave your sleeve behind. Step out of range and the tracker will alert you before you get too far. The Silviano sleeve is beautifully handcrafted, highly functional, and designed to last you a lifetime. As a third-generation family business, we have over 70 years of experience manufacturing luxury leather. By selling directly to you, we at Silviano provide amazing value, avoiding store markups. Our sleeve is handcrafted by legendary artisans using full-grain, veg-tanned, eco-friendly leather. Each piece is then hand-painted using custom-developed waxes from Tuscany. We have worked for 3 years researching the best materials to perfect this stunning design, which we are incredibly proud of and can't wait to deliver to you. By supporting us on Indiegogo, you now become the next part of our story. Back us on Indiegogo now.